Hello, everyone, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today, I will tell you about my family and my home. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. My home is simple and cozy. The light is warm and soft. The air is fresh and clean. I feel calm in my home. My family lives together in this house. We share love and care every day. In this lesson, you will learn how to talk about your family and your home in easy English. First, I introduce my husband, David. He is tall and strong. He has short black hair. He wears glasses. His voice is soft and calm. David works in an office. He works very hard every day. He is kind and patient. He always listens to me. He gives me good advice. The living room is bright and clean. The sofa is soft. The table is brown and simple. I feel safe when I sit here with him. Then I look at the living room again. Oh, it is a little messy. There are toys on the floor. There are books under the table. The colors are bright and fun. I hear small sounds from the toys. It is a little noisy, but David is not angry. He smiles at me. He is a calm father. He understands the children. He says, "It is okay." I feel relaxed because he is kind. Next, I meet my children. This is my son, Tom. He is young and energetic. He likes football. He plays with a small ball. He runs fast. He laughs loudly. His voice is happy and strong. He is smart and funny. I smile when I see him. This is my daughter, Lily. She has long black hair. She has a beautiful smile. She is quiet and gentle. She sits at a small desk. She draws flowers. The flowers are red, pink, and yellow. The room is colorful and lively. I feel very happy when I see my children. After that, let's learn a new word. Look at this word, cozy. Cozy means warm, comfortable, and safe. When a place is cozy, you feel relaxed and happy. My home is cozy. The sofa is soft. The light is warm. The air is quiet. I feel peaceful here. You can say, "My home is cozy." Please repeat, "My home is cozy." Very good. After that, we clean the room together. I pick up the books. Tom puts away the toys. Lily cleans the table. David helps us. We work as a team. The room becomes clean and bright. The floor is clear. The air feels fresh. I feel proud of my family. We share the housework. We help each other every day. Finally, we sit together on the sofa. The sofa is soft and warm. We talk and laugh. I feel happy and thankful. My family gives me love and support. When I feel tired, they help me feel strong again. Simple things make me happy. A clean room, a warm light, and my family near me. That is my family and my home. I love my family very much. I feel happy every day with them. What about you? Do you talk about your family in English? Tell me in the comments. Now, let's practice one more time. Repeat after me. My family is kind and happy. My home is cozy and warm. Very good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.